Hello everyone. Today we are making Paneer Ghee Roast. For that we need ingredients: Guntur dry red chillies 3 to 4, Kashmiri red chilli, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, jeera 1 tablespoon, black peppercorn 1 tablespoon, fennel seed 1 tablespoon, methi seed 1 tablespoon, 3 to 4 cloves, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, ginger 1 inch, tamarind water 2 tablespoon, water 2 tablespoon, ghee 2 tablespoon, paneer 400 grams cube, onion 1/4 cup chopped, curd 2 tablespoon whisked, sugar or jaggery 1 tablespoon, curry leaves 8 to 10. Here is the cooking process. Dry roast the whole red chilies for 2 to 3 minutes and dry roast the other spices until their aroma are released. Add the roasted whole spices along with roasted whole red chilies in a blender jar. Add garlic, ginger, tamarind water or tamarind paste and blend them into a fine paste. Adjust the consistency by adding around 10 ml of water and make that into a fine paste. Heat up a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, shallow fry the paneer cubes from all the sides until they become light golden brown. Heat the ghee in a oak or pan. Use the same ghee used for frying paneer. Fry the chopped onions until they are translucent. Then goes our freshly prepared masala paste. Add it to the pan. Stir and cook on low flame for 1 to 2 minutes and then add curd and keep stirring continuously. Increase the flame to the high and cook until ghee is released. Add salt, sugar, or jaggery to balance the taste. You can skip if you do not prefer sweet. Cook for another 3 minutes and then add our fried paneer cubes. And then goes the curry leaves. Coat the paneer with the masala and cook further 4 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder if you want an extra spiciness and then give a nice stir. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes and it's done. Switch off the flame and serve it. Here you have it, your tasty paneer ghee roast, which is ready to be served. Enjoy your delicious recipe. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you like the recipe. Happy cooking. Thank you. Namaste.